Good day, fellow Filipinos. Today, we gather to celebrate the bedrock of our nation, the Philippine Constitution. The Constitution is more than just a set of rules. It is the foundation of our government. It explains how our country should be run, protects our rights, and ensures that no one misuses it. It guarantees our freedoms, like the freedom to speak our minds, choose our leaders, and live the life we want. It also protects our rights and makes sure that everyone is treated fairly. But the Constitution also reminds us that we have responsibilities not only to ourselves but to each other as Filipino. As a young Filipinos, we have a crucial role to play in safeguarding the Constitution. We must be informed citizens, actively participating in the political process, and holding our leaders accountable. We must be champions of justice, equality, and human rights, ensuring that the Constitution's promises are realized for all Filipinos. Let us remember that the Constitution is not just a legal document. It is a symbol of our national identity, a testament to our collective will, and a beacon of hope for a brighter future. Let us pledge to uphold its principles, to live by its ideals, and to ensure that the Philippine Constitution continues to serve as a guiding light for the generations to come.
It is vital that certain rights are placed and specifically outlined in the Constitution. A Constitution is a crucial document that outlines the rules and guidelines for a government. It protects the citizens from government overreach, promotes equality, and ensures that government is accountable to the people. This creates a stable and just society where everyone has equal rights. As a responsible citizen, how will you help the state in the promotion of aforesaid rights? As Filipinos, we are not only privileged but obligated to contribute to our nation's betterment. In return for the government's services and protection, we must uphold the law, maintain peace, and fulfill our duties with purpose. This includes defending our country, paying taxes, protecting our environment, and contributing to national progress through hard work and responsible citizenship. We must also preserve our culture, engage in government programs, and respect the rights of all Filipinos. By working together, we can build a stronger and more united Philippines.